In this video we don't speak about cars, crawlers, airplanes, but we speak about a project or a restoration project. A friend of mine had from his father an old model boat that he made when he was a little boy, and they used to play with this boat with a very earlier radio control, and the boat is this one. By now I have just this picture. Now the boat is in the house of this friend of mine, and it has been a nice work. I would like to speak with you about this because this is the first restoration video that I give you. This kind of boat is a sort of a PT boat. Every country during the Second World War had this kind of very speed boat with torpedoes, and the American had the PT. The English people had this one, and the German people. Our kind of boat was a very fast boat, mechanically quite good, and with two Isotta-Fraschini engines, very powerful. And about this boat there's a story in my family, because my grandfather had a factory and he supplied some pieces for this boat, the transmission, the part that gives forward or backward. And during the war our mechanics had to go, sometimes they used to go to the harbor and take care of this part of the boat. But they were very good mechanics overall, not just for transmission, but also for the engine. So the pilots sometimes asked to our mechanics, let's go out and do a trial. Let's see if everything, let's check out if everything is okay. And they go on the sea, but they didn't go just around to check. They go in the mission. And our mechanics had to go in the mission, in the war. And this is a story that made this boat, for me, quite familiar. By now I cannot show you the model here, and I have just some pictures about the restoration process and how it is finished. So enjoy the slideshow, and hope you find this interesting. Bye bye. Comments, like and subscribe, please. And so this is it. This is the work. I hope you have enjoyed. I have enjoyed a lot. It was very funny because I've made by myself a lot of fittings. All what you've seen, so metal, wood, I have modified, and very good work. Just one thing I left in memory of Carlo, the man who has made this boat, is the tip of the guns, the anti-aircraft guns. They are orange. They're not. It's not true, but Carlo made so. So in respect and in memory of this man, I left them in that color. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed. Remember, what else? Of course, subscribe, please. If you like my videos, thumb up. And up to the next, all the best to you.